an unprecedented collaborative effort between the different agencies. Imagine if the acquisition modeling and simulation modeling tools were simplified and made accessible to be utilized by the combat developer, capability developer, and force developer communities. These agencies could leverage their tools to conduct their own trade space analysis and analysis of alternatives well before the commissioning of any acquisition process and procedures. The combat and capability developers' focus is beyond the simple instantiation of a concept vehicle, aircraft, or object. The modeling tools need to explore order of battle, concept of operations, and concept of employment. Enhancing modeling tools such as the framework for assessing cost and technology to interface with construction simulations behavior modeling will enhance the decision-making process and support the analytical rigor across each milestone of the acquisition process. Furthermore, the data and artifacts created during these early stages could be reused further into the process, pulled from an authoritative data source repository. This data reuse aligns with the principle of model-based systems engineering and engineered resilient systems methodology and concepts. The integration of trade space analysis modeling tools such as FACT with the constructive behavioral modeling of the command and control training upgrade system called CACTUS will give FACT the ability to instantiate a vehicle, aircraft, or object into the CACTUS environment, where the entity is matched with its order of battle, concept of operations, and concept of employment. Previously, the Army Research Lab successfully integrated FACT with OneSAF, OneSAF being the constructive behavioral model, and FACT being the analysis of alternatives and trade space analysis tool. This was done utilizing the Executable Architecture Systems Engineering Interface, or known as EASE. The EASE documentation has been added to this presentation for review. The following is an example of the EASE integration between FACT and OneSAF. Now imagine if FACT was integrated with EASE, CACTUS, and VBS, along with the augmented reality sand table and augmented reality capabilities such as haptic feedback devices or Oculus Rift. In the following video, you are seeing where the concept vehicle, in this case an unmanned aerial surveillance aircraft, was leveraged and modified inside of FACT, passed along to Cactus, which its corresponding behavioral order of battle, concept of employment, concept of operations. And then FACT sends the data through EASE into Cactus, which is then visualized inside of VBS. And the goal is to have VBS as well integrated with the virtual sand table so that the imagery can be depicted on screen. We've laid out a rough estimate of the integration paths, the different colors of money, the different agencies and programs, those that are programs of record and those that are just projects to be integrated to make this a reality.